Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're doing a video about have been and had been. Somebody left us a comment asking the question, what's the difference between have been and had been? So we're doing this video for you. What's the difference between have been and had been? Let's take a look. Have been is present perfect. I have been, you have been, we have been, they have been, but he has been and she has been. It's all the same structure. You're expressing something that happened in the past at no specific time. I can ask the question, have you ever been to New York? Remember, we say been to. I have never been to New York. Or yes, I have been to New York before, giving no specific time. You can use have been. So we're talking about one time in the past, but no specific time. When did it happen? I don't care when it happened. It happened in my life. Remember, ever is in your life. Have you ever been to New York? Answer, no, I've never been to New York. I have, I've never been to New York. We can use have been to talk about something that started in the past and continues to right now. Example, I have been living in the USA all my life. I have been working for this company for 10 years. I started working in the past and I'm still working right now. Use have been. I have been working here for 10 years. So what is had been? Had been is to talk about more in the past, before something else in the past. Example, I went to Hawaii last year. My friend asked me, was it your first time or had you been there before? And I answer, it was my first time. I had never been there before. So I went last year. That's the past. Before that, we use had been. I had never been there before. So with had been, you have two actions in the past. One happened before the other one. That's had been. Example, I went to California last month. I had been there 2 times before that. So in total, I have been there 3 times. So far, I have been there 3 times. I went last month and I had been there 2 times before that. In all my life, I have been there 3 times. Let's practice. Have you ever been to New York?
No, I've never been to New York.
Have you ever been to New York? Very good. How long have you been living in the U.S.?
I've been living here for 20 years.
How long have you been living in your country? Very good. Did you go to California last year?
Yeah, I went to California last year.
That's what I thought. Was it your first time or had you been there before?
It was my first time. I had never been there before.
Very good. Did she go to California last year? Was it her first time or had she been there before? That's right. She had never been there before. It was her first time. Very good.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to practice more and are looking for more resources, check out the link below. It's the book that we use in our classes to teach our students. You can practice listening, speaking, and reading. It's a great book. Thanks for watching.